Hello friends and welcome back to the Regulation channel. So friends, today I will talk about Biostar MX-X7433RE industrial PC. So friend, Biostar has announced the MX-X7433RE is a compact, high-performance embedded system purpose-built for modern kiosk application and edge computing environment powered by the Intel Amston Lake X7433RE processor and the MS X7433RE deliver efficient performance with quad-core architecture, running speed up to 3.4 GHz while maintaining a low TDP of just 9 watt and integrated Intel UHD Graphics deliver both HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4 plus output, making it excellent choice for digital display, payment machine, and access control system designed for system integration and developer, and it supports up to 64 GB of DDR5, 4800 MHz memory, and includes SATA III port alongside an M.2 Key-M slot enabling both traditional and high-speed NVMe storage, and Mini-PCIe slot and M.2 Key-B interface with support for 4G and 5G module make it easy to tailor the system for wireless connectivity and real-time processing, unlocking superior edge computing capabilities. So friend, it's equipped with dual Intel 2.5 gigabit LAN port for high-speed networking along with the 4 COM port and 6 USB port for seamless integration with peripherals like barcode scanner, receipt printer, card reader, and kiosk and POS system. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.